Our top stories. President Trump says America is gaining ground against coronavirus, but New York fears the worst. Spain's death toll overtakes China, and a Madrid ice rink is turned into an emergency mortuary. In Britain, the rush to get protective equipment to an overstretched health service amid warnings that some London hospitals are running out of capacity. Another grim milestone has been reached as countries around the world continue to step up efforts to curb the spread of the coronavirus. More than 20,000 people have now died. The United Nations Secretary General says the pandemic is a threat to all humanity. The number of those infected globally is now nearing 500,000. More than 113,000 people are known to have recovered. Italy remains the worst hit country with more than 7,500 deaths. But Spain's death toll has now also surpassed that of China. The US President Donald Trump says that America is gaining ground in its war against Covid-19. The death toll there now stands at more than 900, and there are 60,000 confirmed cases. Half of them are in New York, which the president says is by far the biggest problem. A month-long state of emergency has begun in Thailand. The government has been criticised for failing to take strong action since the outbreak began.
BBC News website. More and more people are staying indoors to try to help slow the spread of the virus. A New York photographer has started taking pictures of families in isolation.
There are signs that the pace of new Covid-19 infections in Italy is slowing down, according to figures released by the government there. The daily number of new cases is still going up, but the rate of increase has fallen for 4 days in a row, with 683 deaths over the past 24 hours. The government has imposed punishments on isolation measures, including a 5-year prison term for anyone who breaks their quarantine and tests positive for coronavirus.
It is day 2 of a 3-week lockdown for more than 1 billion people in India.